Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopee F00 error. So the first step, try to close the app and go to App Store or Google Play Store and make sure it's updated. In my case, it is. If it's not, make sure that you have the latest update. After that, try again by opening Shopee. If it's not fixed, delete the app and reinstall it, then restart your device. After this, if this problem still having and the error is still there, try to change the payment method. Sometimes the error is due to payment method. If it's not and still having the problem, try to remove a voucher or change it. Sometimes this happened because the voucher is expired and Shopee didn't update it. If all of this didn't help you solve the error, just wait some hours because sometimes Shopee servers goes down. So after maybe few hours, the problem will be fixed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.